Hey everybody, welcome back. Tonight I'll probably be on Mark's channel, Forever Conscious Research. If you want to tune into that, it'll be around 7 p.m. Eastern U.S. time. Also, just wanted to mention a few things. The TikTok ban is supposed to take effect January 19th, and I think this really exposes cognitive dissonance to a whole new level. If you really just think about it for a moment, there's 170 million Americans approximately that use TikTok, and they're going to ban it. The government says so. About 500 people have decided, whatever vote they took out of that number of 500 people, have decided to ban this for 170 million people in America. This is supposedly the country where we live in a freedom machine, quote unquote, and it's a government by the people, for the people, allegedly. And that just is, can't have more of an example of just how much of a farce that is. If 170 million people want to use an app on their phone, and the government now is going to say they're going to ban it, but they're going to tell you that this is a free country, just have to think about that for just a little bit to process just how ridiculous that whole notion is that we're told here. Second, this whole thing with the United CEO healthcare guy and the alleged perpetrator of this shooting, Luigi Mangione, whatever, Luigi Mangione, his name is. Sorry if I mispronounced it there, but nothing we're told today makes any sense. Matter of fact, the stuff I normally do on my channel is analyze what goes on in the afterlife, in the astral plane, in the reincarnation system. That this is a reincarnation soul farm, a soul trap here, a loosh farm, and options and ways to get out of it by using your individual sovereignty and freedom that you actually have once you leave the mortal plane, to choose not to come back. But the things that we're told that happen here in the physical earth realm, nothing makes any sense. We're supposed to believe that this guy wrote this supposed manifesto that they put out there. It certainly doesn't, you don't have to be some linguistics expert to know he didn't write it. If you just listen to his high school speech and look at some of the other things that he has done and the level of education he has, he did not write this piece of crap manifesto. And we're supposed to believe that a person did all this to avoid detection in New York City with over 15,000 cameras that we know of, and did all this effort just to get caught in Altoona, Pennsylvania, 300 miles away, with all the evidence conveniently on him. None of this stuff makes any sense. The drone UFO UAP stuff that's been going on in New Jersey, in New York, and all around parts of the country, with all these clips we're seeing, and all these confusing, conflicting messages that we're getting from the reporters and the people on the ground, and all the different theories. None of it makes any sense. I think we're going to go over that in Mark's channel in depth tonight, and hopefully you'll tune in. The weird thing is that before, when the government was denying UFO activity, it actually made more sense. It's like as soon as they get involved in anything, everything devolves into nonsense. And I don't know what to make of it anymore. Like I said, the afterlife, near-death experience data, out-of-body experiencer data, it all is consistent, and you can simply, if you know how to investigate things and separate people's interpretation of what they're seeing and just focus on what they actually are reporting happened, you get a very consistent picture of the afterlife. But as far as stuff going on here, it is so confusing, and maybe that's part of the plan. I mean, I'm not sure if it has a technical name, but it seems like one of the things done here a lot is to set out conflicting, confusing, opposite information constantly, and then most people that are I believe there was a philosopher, Goose Chef, I forget what his name is, from the early 1900s, that called most people waking sleep. And that's what we seem to be surrounded by people that are waking sleep or sleep zombies, and they will just default to whatever authority tells them, to do in a situation where they're confused. And we are constantly given confusing information. I don't follow authority well. I don't believe in it at all. So, just some of the things I wanted to mention here. And I'll see you all tonight. I'll see you at 7 p.m. on Mark's channel, as long as he feels up to it. And we're up for the thing tonight, so it should be an interesting show. Probably last about an hour or so. I hope you tune in. If Forever Conscious Research on YouTube, just go look it up, and check out my playlist, Mysteries of the Realm Part 2. Nothing makes sense, or make it make sense. It's on my channel here on YouTube, and check out my website, overwatchproject.com, and please subscribe and like if you find my videos useful. I'll see you all later. Bye.